Hello everybody. This is side skirt. It lives on the car. When you have this, car goes faster, right? Today we have this Ford Fiesta, right? No, it's BMW, and we're gonna show you how to adapt this side skirt onto this car. The problem with these side skirts, it's they are made of polyester, and that's a nasty material, and he likes to twist. So there is no way that you fit your side skirt on the car to fit properly. Side skirts are nice, they're giving the different look to your car, and girls like it. But every time when you remove the side skirt from the mold, the side skirt is twisted, like every other polyester part that you want to put on your car. Today, Bojo and Kevin will show you how to adapt this onto your car. As you can see, this side skirt fits approximately, but there is enormous gaps here and there, and we have to figure out the way how to hang that on the car to not fail off on the first curve or the pothole, and to look properly and to fit properly. Guys, come on, let's cut something. It's not a classic car, but anyway, we do this kind of jobs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Come on. The bridge is yours.
So here's the side skirt we did yesterday. What I had to do, I had to feather edge the edge off there because it was poking out. It's been sat in the car for about 2 years. Just fucked in there. So what I did, I ground this to like a feather edge, stuck 3 layers of fiberglass. We pinned the top of it so it's all nice and straight. It's the only way we could do this unless you're going to glue it from the inside, which is a khaki idea. So as you can see, she's nice and straight now. There's a little bit of a dip there, but that's easy enough to fix. So that next thing, she's nice lined up on the back. All the lines are good. She's got 4mm gap there. On the front here, this just needs building up a small bit. It's only fiberglass, so it's simple to fix. And just cutting all the edges in. A little bit of filler on the bottom of the door there, or we poke it out a bit. Yeah, she's getting there. So next thing is to do the other side, and we're cracking with that then. Gaps are good, so everything's looking good.
So we fitted the side skirt on the car. It was horrible made. So we feathered this edge to weaken the structure so we can get it closer to the car to follow the body of the line. We cut this corner to follow the wing. And we have to add a little bit on this corner in the back because it was trimmed too much by somebody who was making this. So we need to add more material. So Kevin will come later and put 2 layers of fibers on, mix his resin and leave that overnight. We still have here a small bit of play. So we're going to use our most expensive device for this to make it fit nicely. So like this. And we leave this overnight. That's about it. So Kevin finished with fiberglassing this part. He put 3 to 4 layers of fiberglass on it. Now we're gonna leave this tape on and we're gonna sand this, clean it, degrease it, and we use fiberglass putty for the first hand just to make sure that it stays rigid and deal with the corners a little bit. And basically she's ready to be filled and primed for painting.